Codleo is the leading Salesforce provider listed on the App Exchange, has delivered hundreds of successful deployments, and won numerous hearts and awards. The 21st century with its 2 short decades has seen more changes than the previous century. As we adapt to the new normal with physical distancing, remote working, and reinventing businesses to thrive in these difficult times, businesses are turning to trusted brands like Codleo for reimagining themselves in new avatars. State-of-the-art tech tools such as Salesforce CRM and cloud products that are agile, easily configurable, and customizable are driving this demand forward. Companies of all shapes, sizes, and nature have realized that going digital in a holistic end-to-end manner will ensure that not only do they stay afloat but also get an edge over their competitors. A digital transformation is crucial for a brand for so many reasons. A brand can launch services and products quicker and cost-effectively. Enhanced customer service that leads to customer delight and is also contactless. Personalized recommendations, increased eyeballs, and a smooth experience for all. This is where Codleo comes in with its team of certified and experienced Salesforce administrators, developers, architects, consultants, and specialists in various cloud products. With 100 years of cumulative experience and over 104 certificates so far, Codleo's growing team of hardworking, diligent, intuitive, and intelligent consultants accelerate the growth story of every brand, be it a behavioral agency in Michigan, USA, a financial services company in the Middle East, or a manufacturing conglomerate in India. Codleo invests in the success story of our clients as they seek to embrace new technologies, ways of working, and opportunities to expand their footprint. We engage, understand, brainstorm, and prepare a blueprint designed for their success, your success. Each step is minutely calculated, keeping in mind risks and potential bumps along the way. Best practices, processes, and protocols ensure that whether it's a deployment, migration, or consultancy, each client gets the maximum juice out of our curated services. The future is here. Cloud computing, AI, CRM, Internet of Things, and so on. And Codleo is in the thick of it. It's an exciting time to be in the digital space with such rapid advancements and a great opportunity to serve our customers with our hearts. We are a company with a heart. We are a company with soul, talent, approach, dedication, expertise, new tech, practices, heart.